Hi everybody, my name is Pierre. I'd like to tell you about the program I started 2 months ago. And I used to be very anxious in my relationship. My wife telling me that everything is going wrong. I want to leave. This is over, etc., etc. And I felt hopeless. I felt like any control of my situation, and I couldn't do anything. That just leave it and desperate. Like I was totally lost of control of my relationship and very low self-esteem too. I had nothing to lose, so I looked at the program. I saw videos of Jeffrey, and that made sense to me. So I went further and I joined the program. And so I start a little bit and I see all the teachings. But what changed my life really, it's the bulletproof vest concept. This is very new for me, and so just be in the storm without feel victimizing myself or without explode like volcano, because I just uh, retain myself everything and once it's explodes. So was very big change for me, very great. And little by little I saw transformation. I saw very slowly but surely a better climate in the house. And this program made very I the feedback loops. So I changed negative to positive and so on. And with my children also, it had very much difference. Honestly, this program did better than any therapist I did before. I read lots of books about relationships, the couples, and me and my wife saw therapists, and nothing worked. So, like, we waste our time every time and may think when worst even at the time. So I saw more changes in 2 months than the 10 past years with any other therapist. This is this made very lots of sense for me, and so just embrace the conversation and be able to take everything my partner can tell me. This creates a climate of safety, and I'm more confident. And so I recommend this program to everybody who's struggling with the relationship with their partner, their wife, their husband, etc. So thank you for listening to me. And also I struggle with my English. Thank you for your patience, and take care, and God bless you. Thank you. Bye bye.